Hello friends, welcome back to Eat Clean Daily. Today I'm sharing one of my favorite healthy meals, a soft, high-protein cottage cheese pita filled with a delicious chicken and vegetable mixture. This recipe is easy to make, packed with protein, loaded with vegetables, and perfect for anyone looking for a nutritious meal. It's also diabetic friendly because it's lower in carbohydrates than traditional pita bread and provides plenty of protein to help keep you satisfied. Let's get started. For the cottage cheese pita, you'll need 1 cup cottage cheese, 1 whole egg, 1/3 cup liquid egg whites, 1/3 almond flour, 1 teaspoon garlic powder, a small pinch of dried rosemary, 1 teaspoon onion powder, optional, 1/4 cups of mozzarella cheese, a pinch of salt, a little avocado oil or butter for the baking paper. Everything seasoning. Into a blender or mixing bowl, add the cottage cheese, whole egg, egg whites, onion powder, garlic powder, and rosemary. Mix or blend until smooth and creamy. Line a baking tray with baking paper and lightly brush it with avocado oil or butter. Pour the mixture onto the tray and spread it into a thin, even layer, similar to a pita or flatbread. Sprinkle everything seasoning on top of the pita. Bake at 400 degrees Fahrenheit, 200 degrees Celsius, until lightly golden brown around the edges. This usually takes about 20 to 25 minutes, depending on your oven. Once baked, remove it from the oven and allow it to cool completely. Cooling helps the pita become more flexible and easier to fold without breaking. While the pita cools, let's make the filling. Heat a skillet over medium heat and add a little olive oil. Add the chopped onion and cook until it becomes soft and fragrant. Next, add the diced carrots and sliced cabbage. Cook for several minutes until the vegetables begin to soften. Add the ground chicken and break it apart with a spoon. Now add the minced garlic and add chopped cilantro and stir for about 30 seconds. Season with garlic powder, onion powder, rosemary, salt, and black pepper. Continue cooking until the chicken is fully cooked and nicely browned. If you enjoy a little heat, stir in some freshly chopped chili at the end. If you prefer a mild flavor, simply skip the chili. Remove from the heat and allow the mixture to cool slightly. Once the cottage cheese pita has cooled, gently remove it from the baking paper. Place a generous amount of the chicken and vegetable mixture onto one side. Top with the fresh lettuce, juicy tomato slices, and peppery baby arugula salad. Fold the pita over the filling or roll it into a wrap. Fold the pita over like a sandwich or roll it into a wrap. The combination of the savory chicken filling and the fresh, crunchy vegetables creates an amazing balance of flavors and textures. Every bite is packed with protein, fiber, vitamins, and fresh flavor. This sandwich is satisfying enough for lunch or dinner and perfect for anyone looking for a healthy, diabetic-friendly meal that doesn't feel like diet food. The fresh vegetables add extra fiber, which may help support healthy blood sugar management while making the sandwich even more filling and nutritious.